Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing good at home. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you some changes about my channel. So let's see. The first point or the number one is my channel's name will be changed to Siddhi's Creation. Second, profile picture will also be changed as my channel's name is changing. Third, video won't only come on Thursday, it will come on any day also. Fourth, video will be about everything you guys want to see on my channel. Fifth, do let me know in the comments what you want to see on my channel. Sixth, mostly I'll be uploading edit tutorial videos if you don't comment. Seventh, a huge giveaway is coming soon on my channel, so please follow me on Instagram. And bye! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press on the bell notification to get all the notification like this video. Share it with all your friends and family members and follow me on Instagram for more updates. Link in the description. Bye!